Shuttle Discovery's crew for tomorrow's scheduled launch includes a Saudi prince and a French test pilot. In the cargo bay is a Mexican satellite, the first for that country and only the second to be launched for a Latin American nation. National Space Shuttle mission. Blastoff is scheduled for early Monday morning. Discovery's crew will this time include an Arab prince and a French military pilot.
Effect on the countdown for the Space Shuttle Discovery. The ship is scheduled to blast off tomorrow morning, carrying 5 Americans, an Arab prince, and a Frenchman.
Talking to some of those. Peaceful note, we'll be looking to developments at Cape Canaveral, where shuttle number 18 is the order of the day. Ironically, this mission will be noted for its multinational makeup, a combination of U.S., European, and Arab states. Also this day, June the 17th, 1985.
From NBC News, this is Today with Bryant Gumbel and Jane Pauley.
News this morning at Cape Canaveral. All continues to go well for the scheduled liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery less than 30 minutes from now. An update from science correspondent Robert Bazell at the Cape. Bob, good morning.
John, good morning. The liftoff is scheduled for 7:33 a.m. Eastern Time, and it looks like it's going to happen. The weather's fine, everything's fine on board the shuttle. This mission is notable because there's 2 passengers on board, a 28-year-old Saudi prince and a French astronaut. Other than that, there'll also be an experiment with the Star Wars. A laser from Maui will be shot at the shuttle during the mission. It looks like it's going to go off at 7:33. We'll be here to cover it live. John?
Thanks, Bob.
Canaveral, Florida, where a shuttle launch is set for this half hour. And Florida and Cape Canaveral, where we're standing by for the launch of shuttle mission number 18. Our NBC News science correspondent Robert Bazell is standing by there. Bob?
Good morning, Brian. It's less than 2 minutes now. It is 1 minute 42 seconds to the launch of the 18th Space Shuttle mission. This mission has gone very well so far. The countdown has had no problems. The weather here is just perfect this morning. On board, and what makes this particular mission notable, are 2 foreign astronauts. One, Patrick Baudry from France. The other is Sultan Salman.
Now it's flight pressure. See, one right there, one right there. Hey! All systems go. Sound suppression water system is now being armed. Pre-liftoff water will be released at T-minus 16 seconds. T-minus 48 seconds. Rocket booster development site instrumentation recorder has gone to record mode, and the main propulsion system liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen on outboard still valves have been closed. We're coming up on auto sequence start. T-minus 31 seconds. And we have it go for auto sequence start. Discovery's 4 redundant computers have primary control of critical vehicle function. T-minus 21 seconds and counting. As the engine nozzles profile is now underway. T-minus 15 seconds.
Come on, baby.
T-minus 12.
Here I go this time.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Look, there it is, all right.
2, 1. We've got booster ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of Discovery.
Yeah, watch it now.